Now that our Blynk application is all set up, now we need to program our Node MCU or the microcontroller so that it can talk with the mobile application. So we will program the Node MCU using the Arduino IDE. In this video, we'll download the Arduino IDE and set up the Blynk libraries. Well, Arduino IDE is nothing but an integrated development environment. IDE is a text editor like program that allows you to write computer programs that will upload to your microcontroller board, whether it is a Arduino or Node MCU. When you open up a Arduino program, you open up the IDE. It is quite simple, straightforward. When you save a file on IDE, file is called as a sketch. It has all the code which you have written. The coding language which Arduino uses is pretty much similar to C language. All the basic concepts remain the same. The code that we are going to write is human readable. IDE is used to take the human readable code and convert it into machine understandable format. Now we'll go and install Arduino Web IDE according to the operating system you are using. If you are using a Windows machine, you can also go to the Microsoft Store to get the Arduino application. Once it is installed, we'll simply launch the application. Now, once the Web ID is installed, we need to program the Node MCU in such a way that we can talk to our Blynk mobile application that we have created. Now, it is important to understand this diagram. The Blynk IoT platform is providing a cloud server, basically, which is used to exchange the messages between the mobile application and the Node MCU or vice versa. So, in order to talk to the mobile application, basically we need to connect to the Blynk cloud server, and that code basically is written in the functions which are predefined in the Blynk libraries. Now once the Arduino Web IDE is installed, we'll go to the GitHub to download the latest Blynk libraries. Well, please make a note that I have given all the links in the project description of the class. Download the zip file and extract to a folder. Once you have extracted all the files, open up the Arduino Web IDE, go to the File, Preferences, take this path. Here you will find the libraries and the tools. So take the latest libraries and paste it in this folder. Similarly, do it for the tools. Now with that done, we will connect Node MCU with our laptop using a USB cable to transmit the code from Arduino to Node MCU. Once you will connect the Node MCU to your laptop, you will get a beep sound like this. Now we will go to the control panel and then we will select the device manager. Inside the device manager, we will look for ports and we'll just verify that our USB serial port is connected, and we'll note down the COM port ID here. We can see that our COM port ID here is COM7. Now we will come back to the Arduino, we will go to the tools and we will make sure that a proper COM port is selected. Again, we will go to the boards and will make sure that the board selected here is Node MCU. Now to write the code, we'll go to the file, examples, Blynk, boards Wi-Fi, and ESP8266 standalone. Now this file is generated where we just need to change 3 lines of code. The first one is the auth token. I hope you remember you received one email on your email ID registered with the Facebook with the auth token, and here in the SSID you need to provide the name of the Wi-Fi you are using at your home or the office, followed by the password of that Wi-Fi network. Now here I have filled in the details, that is the auth token received on the Gmail and followed by the Wi-Fi name and the password. After this, it is the time to connect the Node MCU ESP8266 with your laptop so that we can push in this code into the microcontroller. Now once it is connected with your laptop, you click on this verify button just to check that all the code which is written is correct. It will take some time though. Once it is done, we'll upload the code using this arrow button. I think yes, we are done with this. Now this is the end of the second step. Now we will move ahead with the hardware configuration or hardware assembly of our project.